going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's gonna be a short video, but I at least got to bring you guys something. But today I 3D printed a part that goes in my old ashtray. I don't use it, I don't smoke, so I don't need it. I did 3D print it. I'm gonna show you guys a little small clip of it getting printed, and then I don't know if it's gonna fit. It's supposed to fit, but I'm gonna show you how it fits. And I did order a charging port socket that's gonna go in it. It's gonna be for USB and USB-C ports, so I can charge my iPhone, iPad whenever I have it in my truck. But I'm gonna show you guys. Hopefully it fits. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, so this is where our 3D printed part's gonna go. I'm gonna remove this. We're not gonna need that, but I'm still gonna save it. Then that's gonna stay there. We're gonna get that wire and connect it to the other outlet. But for now, this is our 3D printed part. You can see it still has the trees on it. I'm gonna remove those. I'm gonna remove these right here, these trees, and then see if it fits in there. All right, let's get these removed. Here you go. I will see if it fits in there. All right. That looks pretty good. That's where our charging port outlet is going to go. It's going to have USB and USB-C. Like I said, you can charge your iPhone, iPad, but I'm getting that ordered through Amazon, and I will put a link on that as well. That's how it looks. I wish it was a little more tighter. I might print another one and make it a little bit bigger. See if it just snugs right in, so it's not moving around, because it does move around. Or I can just put some magnets. Put some magnets here on the bottom, so when it goes in, it'll stay. But I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. Well, let's see if the door closes. Yeah, it does. Look at that. Nice. Alright guys, well that's it for this video. I know it's a short one, but I really wanted to get something out for you guys. But like I said, I found this print online, printed it out. It fits good. I want it a little more tighter. Like I said, I'll probably make it a little bit bigger and try it, see how it fits. And if it fits a little tighter, then I'll leave that one in there. But I will show you guys if I make another print. And I got that charging outlet coming soon from Amazon. I will link that one as well. And also guys, thank you everybody who has been subscribing to my channel. I'm getting close to 1,000 subscribers. I think I'm at 893 right now, and I'm getting close. But if you guys want to share my video, really appreciate it. And I also need to reach my 4,000 watch hours. I got a long way to go on that one. I think I'm at 1,800 right now. So I'm getting there slowly. But on my next video, when I get that part from Amazon, I'll show you guys how to install it. I mean, I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to install stuff like that, but I'm still going to show it. But I'll see you guys in the next one, and thank you for your support.